Please just explain how I was the one to get bear crap on my driveway. First thing in the morning. It's got to be a sign. We might just have to buy puts off the open literally just because of that.
No, not yet. 3 to 4.
You don't think so? I'm thinking we'd take the bear signal. No technicals needed. When the bear comes, he knows. This is God's country. Nature knows best. Let's full send it. Hey, Grizzly Glock, you here? Oh, I know you're here. You're probably sleeping. You were in my backyard at 2 or in my front yard at 2 in the morning last night.
All right, let's do this. We're pumping, guys. We're pumping.
All right. Yes, we need another 15-minute workday. I can't stay as long as usual today, so got to make this nice and quick. Nice and quick. I had to go hunt down that bear. Sorry, Grizzly, your brother's done for. Or I got to have you come protect the house. Grizzlies are the apex of the bears.
Distant cousin.
Your distant cousin won't leave me alone, bro. Your cousin won't leave me alone. Gene's my Mexican cousin. Aren't you, hombre? Primo. That's it. Yeah, see, primo. Yes. Oh, you know what I don't have? I don't have my glasses on. When I don't have my glasses on, bad things happen. Look, I told you guys shorts off the open. I literally said it, bro. I literally said it. The bear knows. All right, Gene, I gotta grab my glasses. You want to say hi to everyone? Yeah. Gene wants to say good morning. I gotta grab my glasses.
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Good. What about you?
Pretty good. Seen a massive bear poop in Jacob's driveway. I might actually see some bears this weekend. I'm going camping up in the mountains. Oh yeah, I'm bringing a shot and a 10mm.
What are you watching for, Greg?
Are they being nice?
Yeah. Right now.
I was being nice to you this morning. Told you guys. The shorts, bro.
Most likely I'm gonna wait for 3 to 4. It could go there. If not,
All right.
I'm waiting for 0.35. Thank you. And yes, we have 6406. 6406.5. Potential rejection point there.
All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get to the money. Oh, yeah, I got to share my screen too. Sorry, guys. I honestly wasn't. Oh, here, hold on. Can you guys make me host, please? What? What's up? That was the bear.
I see a possible reject on EQ up around the EQ up 23,300 to 23,290 for a possible short. I'm gonna watch that.
I'm staying patient today, trading smart, trading safe as always. One good trade today is all it takes. Whoops. One good trade a day is all it takes. One good trade a day keeps a lot of life's problems away. 64. Yes, or at a minimum, it pays for the steak. That is true. That is very correct. Sometimes. Yeah. That's what it feels like, huh?
Literally.
what it freaking feels like. We haven't drank the coffee yet. I gotta chug this coffee, get my caffeine fix going. You did, huh? You got iced Americano? Why? You're just vibing with the iced Americano or what? Okay. I can vibe with it, bro. I can get down with it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. What's up, music? Guys, I had a freaking bear this morning. I had a freaking bear in my driveway, bro. It literally destroyed my trash cans. I'm gonna email myself the pictures. Is that the Reichster, Maddie? Is he awake? Oh yeah, the Reichster's awake. And guess what? Reichster turns 2 tomorrow. The Riker turns 2 tomorrow. How crazy is that? How? Already. Time freaking flies, man. Tell you guys what. Time freaking flies. I gotta plug this in too. There we go. All right, we're plugged in.
Someone said happy birthday.
Hello, Riker. Uncle Grizzly says happy birthday, even though he's in trouble for going through our trash. Bro's in trouble, but we still gonna wish him a happy birthday. Mr. Gene is here. Mr. Gene is in the house. He's on time for once. Bro's like, I was late one time. 100 times. Same thing. Tomato, tomato. Bro, the terrible twos are already here. They came early for us, bro. They came at like 20 months. He's naughty. Discipline over dopamine is the way. All right, let's find ourselves a nice winning setup today, ladies and gentlemen. It's game time. I still think at some point we're going to see a downtrend only because of the bear. All right, there we go. Let's do this. A three-nager. I've heard three-nagers too. I've heard that is that's a rough time too. Like, oh, you thought 2 was bad. Wait till you get to be a three-nager. Like, oh crap. Here we go. As a reminder, guys, good morning. Good morning. I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that like button if you're on TikTok, hitting that screen, hitting that follow button. And if you're on YouTube, hitting that subscribe. YouTube has the full screen share as well. So if you're already on YouTube, thank you for being here. If you're not, if you're on TikTok, make your way on over to YouTube as well if you'd like full screen share. Jdun Trades. Let's find ourselves a winner today. That's all I'm focused on is just one good trade. If we can find one good trade today, I'm cool. Just got to find one good trade today. What level did you say you were watching for a reject, Grizzly? That 300?
We touched the bottom of the zone there, so good reject here. We might miss it, but I went a little higher from the history. But if we miss it, I'm okay with that. We're a little better risk to reward though. like it's doing some reject early. Yeah, we do have PMI in 5 minutes too.
Got data in 5 minutes. Getting our London highs and lows marked too. All right. We are all set up and destined for success.
Yeah, if it's rejecting, it does. That's you up perfectly, though.
We're at that rejection area from Tesla yesterday too. That 322 to 323, that support turn resistance. How long have I been trading? Is it a full-time job? I do it every single day. I wouldn't call it full-time. It only takes me like 2 hours a day. But I've been trading for 9 years. If we got PMI in 5 minutes too.
I didn't take that trade. My average be closer to 300. Guess I could put the starter piece up there, but I just.
Still within the first 15 minutes too. It's early. Got room down on the hourly too. Let's go to the 4 hour. Maybe we have to put on the Lambo hat too. Got to put on the dad hat, then we'll really start getting some trades. Maybe that's the key we're missing. Maybe that is the key that we're missing.
Are we drinking good coffee right now? With me?
Don't tell me you're drinking that Folgers. I'm drinking some great coffee, man.
Drink coffee great? We never talked about it, man.
Yeah, I agree. No the weights.
What time is it there now?
7:42. Where is it?
Oh, same time zone as us, Greg. That's cool.
First coffee set.
Same time zone as us, Greg. That's cool.
So,
Hey, what's up, Virals World? Daniel said, appreciate the masterclass that you post on Opening Range Breakout. You're welcome, bro. Do I hunt in CO? No. But one time in Nebraska. My grandpa.
I swear the people who live the longest drink the most coffee.
Appreciate you guys being here on YouTube, everyone. I'm going to do my best to find you guys a winner, just like we did the last few days. But as a reminder, we choose discipline over dopamine here. So if you're looking to increase your discipline, if you find yourself sometimes undisciplined or impatient in your trading, this is the place to be to build that discipline. We don't take as many trades, but we focus on A+ setups. We focus on A+ setups. So if you want dopamine and you want gambling, this isn't the place. If you want discipline, focus, and conviction, you found the right YouTube stream. And Team Bull appreciates you being here. I appreciate you being here. As a reminder, too, guys, Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. So if you guys would like to get funded, get payout protection, and trade up to 20 accounts at a time, use code JDUN on Apex for best possible discounts. Got to get the YouTube poll going, too. Quality over quantity, that's right. I take large amounts of MDMA, so I have no dopamine left. Well, I'll try to help you build that back, bro. You're funny.
All right, that is drunk.
Let's see what the YouTube poll thinks of which way we're heading. Yep, data in 15 seconds.
Seconds.
3. Good morning. What a nothing burger. That one goes, yep. Your left hand goes first. Hi, bud.
Hi, Riker.
Oh, yeah, but it's going to go low a day without us. I told you we should have just taken the shorts on bear confirmation. That's all you needed, bro, was the bear confirmation. That's it.
Man, that was the spot for sure. Look at that.
Yeah, it's tough when you have data. It can go either way. It's easy to say, oh, I knew I should have done that when there's data and it goes your way. But if it would have went up, we would have been like, oh, thank goodness we didn't take that trade, you know? That's how I look at things. That's how I look at it. All right. Wow. Our opening range is set, though. That's good. Got that out of the way. Opening range is set. Now we can start getting to work on finding some moolah. Told you guys the bear. I should have just listened to myself. Full ported some puts. Well, I got to get my option chain set up too. I totally forgot about that. Getting used to doing that every day again. We got to get back to the humble Honda days trading options. Y'all apparently love when I do that, so it's all right. I'll just age a little quicker, lose my hair a little quicker. As long as we get the humble Honda out for y'all, that's a win, right? I'll go to Turkey, buy some new hair. All right, now we're set and stone. And what a bounce. That right there is why you don't take the breakout of the opening range low. You wait for the close.
That's exactly right.
That right there is why you wait. Hi, Riker. Hey, bud. Can you wave hi? Hi. You came in here yesterday and my internet went out.
And plugged it.
Oh, poor boy. Wanna drop top riding in my socks. In my drop top. Nothing on Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. I'm looking at all the individuals. Nothing yet. I'm just staying super patient, everyone. Trading smart, trading safe, choosing discipline over dopamine. If there's no setup, there's no trade for me. No setup, no trade. No trade, no setup. That's what trading with discipline is. Yep. If you guys on TikTok want to see all the levels marked out, it's on YouTube. Yeah, there's a... Hey, I got the options pulled up too. Don't worry. Yeah, today's... I'm probably going to get wider wrist today. It's not... It's my mom's birthday, which is pretty cool. It's not as... She's coming tomorrow. But then it's my kid's birthday tomorrow. So I got the family in town. I don't want to go into the weekend on a bad note. So I'll for sure de-risk tomorrow and won't put on much risk. I'm going to keep myself nice and green in the week. Up over $6,000 in cash money this week, and I'm not looking to give much of that back. A Madrato. Well, this looks like a pretty bullish candle on NQ and ES, but if you took the longs, 176, you'd almost have to wait till like a pullback to 210 to this London low around here to make the risk worthwhile. Yeah, I'm getting married in September. I got a whole ass fiance. How crazy is that? Getting married in September. I still have some funded accounts, Brandon. I just, for the most part, prefer trading my own money. Been slowly cooking up something in the back end. Thanks, everybody. Yeah, I won't be around much the week of the 20th through the 28th. I'm gonna take my computer setup to Hawaii, and I'll probably try. Me and Gene will be there too. Maybe Gene and I'll get on a Hawaii 3:30 a.m. stream. You want to trade with me at 3:30 in Hawaii, Gene?
I'm down.
You ain't trading?
I am.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Gene and I will be on for you guys in Hawaii at 3:30 a.m. Probably like two of the days, 2 of the 5 days of the week. Hawaii's the best. Yep. Yeah, as long as they're internet connected, computers will be good. Got to make sure they're internet connected. As long as they are internet connected. Can you do a free week? Team Bowl week that week? Maybe. Free trial? Then I won't even be there. You got to get me in my full strength, baby, when I'm in Team Bowl. Got to get me in my full strength. Come on. Just want to say, man, congratulations on everything you've done. Healthy kid, soon to be wife. I wish you nothing but the best, brother. Happy birthday to your mom. I use your vids as motivation. Thank you, Zach. God bless, bro. I appreciate you being here, man. I know that your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending it in the morning hanging out with us, trading, vibing. It means the world, bro. Keep choosing discipline over dopamine. Watched your videos on YouTube. Hella informative and learned a lot, bro. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, and FFF too. I will absolutely do my best every day to help you guys milk these prop firms. It's not the end-all be-all. I'd like you guys getting payouts and trading on your own live account. That's the ultimate goal for everyone here. But in the meantime, prop firms can be a good tool. A tool, that's what they are. They're not the end-all be-all. They're a tool. Use them as such. All right, moving down. We're still in this 15-minute range. I wish we could get some nice uptrend setup because we have a lot of room from this 15-minute high up to this London high. I'm not sure we're going to get it, just being fully transparent, but it would be very, very nice if we could. It would be an ideal situation for price targets and such, but I'm not sure they're going to give it to us. Damn, Brandon caught a banger too. Let's see. I bet I know why he did that. Oh, yeah, we had those aggressive buyers down there at 63.75. That's why he took those longs. Nice job, Brandon. Nice job, Brando Commando. You're ahead of us now. We've been on a winning streak, though, Grizzly, huh? We've been killing it. It's crazy. I'm almost 16 months clean of alcohol. May 5th of 2024 was the last time I tried any sort of alcohol. Almost 16 months is crazy. Time flies. Crazy thing is people are always like, Jdun, you're not going to drink at your wedding in Hawaii? I'm like, no. Why do I need to drink at my wedding? I can have just as much fun sober. If you spend an hour around me, you'll realize Jdun is high on life. We've unlocked the natural dopamine, baby. That is no shade. No shade to anyone who likes to sip some margaritas. I feel you. It's just not for me anymore. Just not for me. All right, let's look at how we react down here on this sell candle. Not enough confirmation for me to go short yet. I have a lot of fun sober. I'm high on life, baby. It is going to be a little bummer not getting off that trolley to the hotel in Hawaii and not having those Mai Tais. Oh man, those were bomb. Last time I was in Hawaii, I was sipping the Mai Tais, bro. Sipping them. Pounding them, to be honest. First day with the PA account. Passed my 2 evals yesterday, 2 days ago. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, Max. Good job, bro. Nice job. All right. We're getting this aggressive push down. Let's see if they give us confirmation down here to go short. I'm honestly not rushing anything. If I don't see anything that fits my system, I'm not trading it. A virgin Mai Tai. I'll have a virgin Mai Tai. I'm down. Bookmap's not showing me a lot either. We're right in between a lot of key levels. On NQ, same deal. No aggressive buy or sell orders sitting on either side. I'm on YouTube Live, Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. If we don't have VPA confirmation, I don't trade, guys. I know it's a little more boring for some of you guys. I get it, but it keeps my win rate high and my R multiple high. How I trade requires a lot of patience and discipline. So if you don't want to have patience and discipline, I'm probably not the mentor for you. If you think and if you've observed to yourself, wow, when I have patience and discipline, I make more money, well, then build it with me and let's get it. Do we have news in 2 minutes too? Do we have any more news today? We do. Existing home sales. We have existing home sales in 2 minutes as well. Sometimes that'll randomly just give us a big move for no reason. Sometimes it's nothing burger, but sometimes you'd be surprised. It'll give us a big move for no reason. Them AMD's having a tough time. I assume that means NVIDIA. Yep, NVIDIA's selling off. Not below pre-market low, but selling off on NVIDIA. Tesla's selling off. I mean, all the... Let's see Google's not selling off yet. Apple not quite at low a day, but not also growing. Let's see what our middle line's around 240. Our overall was around 234. Got the close below, but less volume on it. We got the close below that 15-minute low and a London low. So technically speaking, that part of the system is valid to look for shorts on a pop up to like 200. Unless we sell off first, and we're selling off first. We popped to 194. $85. All right, let's see this. We don't have higher volume, which immediately I don't love that. I like to see this candle have more aggressive selling. So I'm just gonna wait, stay patient. I like to see more aggressive selling when it comes to trying that initial short. We'll see how we react on this candle here. We'll see how we react here. If we don't get confirmation, I won't trade it. I'm on YouTube Live, Jdun Trades. JDUN. Go look it up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. You have your bell icon on. This is why I didn't take that initial pop back up. I've found that when you have less aggressive selling volume or buying volume, when you have that 5-minute closure, you'll oftentimes see more fake outs. Now, let me be clear. This could have happened too with higher volume here, but I just see this situation happening more often when we don't. That's why I stayed out. That is exactly why I stayed out and waited. Stayed super patient, guys. If we end up getting a higher volume close here, we have 3 more minutes. I'll look for a pullback down and then a long entry for the way up. But I'm not going to sit here and try to fight this. I hope you guys see exactly why I didn't try that orb there. Whenever we have a lower volume node on the 5-minute with that close, even though it was full body, you can see we had significantly less strength with our sellers. They were much less aggressive. Therefore, I wasn't going to try that without a wick confirmation and defined risk. That's what you guys have to look at. You got to be able to define your risk and keep yourself safe. How's your morning going, Mr. Gene? Any trades yet?
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
I'm trying to take it long.
No bueno?
Yeah.
I can always tell by your tone of voice. I know you too well. Do I know? If you ask me if I know anything about a website, I probably don't, bro. The only website that's ours is teambull.com. And even that website isn't even really functioning right now. Damn, Maddie's leaving. I wonder where she's going. Probably the gym. I can't believe a bear literally... Dude, I'm just still in awe that this morning the bear came to my house, literally went through all of my trash. All my trash. Bear just completely went through. Dude was big as hell. I mean, just absolutely massive bear. Oh, but it gets better. That wasn't enough. Dude decided that, oh, I'm not just going to go to Jdun's house. I'm going to eat his food. I'm going to take a poop in his driveway. Dude, the bear literally took a crap in my driveway on the way out, bro. Dude made me clean up his mess he made with my food. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna add almost a little sprinkle, a little insult to injury on there. You feel me? Took a dump on the driveway. Like, bro, there's like seeds in it and stuff. It's nasty, bro. Things like the size of my hand. Okay, let's see if we can watch. It's a little higher risk, guys. Back to trading talk. We could potentially watch for, there's two things. A bounce back to the midline is a little higher risk down to this 40 area. If we pull back into here, the problem is you just have a lot of risk down to this trend-setting candle low. I'd rather see a pullback into this zone here. Our 50% retracement from, what do you say, Grizzly? I'd love to see a pullback into here and then long. Oh, I got it. I do got the bear on camera. I got cameras everywhere. I just knew off the open we should have taken those shorts. Not because of any technicals, but because of the bear. Let's see if we can get a pull back down into here.
Are you looking for longs?
I am. If you just see a short setup you like, though, take it, please. I'm just trading my VPA system. I'm not going to take any longs until we get solid confirmation, though.
We had a nice possible entry there on that previous candle. Was it too much risk?
Yep, I agree. I just want to see a little more pullback into that trend-setting candle with stops around like 200-ish. So I wasn't willing to try it on this breakout here. It would have, down to 200 would have been 60 points of risk. That's just too much for me. We'll see if they give us a clean 15-minute orb setup. I guess the ES is technically on the orb. We could watch ES for the orb. There's just too much risk on the trend-setting candle. Where's the midline at here? 63.93. We pull back into this ES orb and get a little wake up. I may try the longs. Keep you guys posted. Keep you guys in the loop. Bro, the last time the bear came too, the market dumped off the open when we saw the bear. Come on, needed a bit more pullback. Need a bit more pullback. Now, if we could just have a bull come up to my driveway and, you know, mess with the trash, that'd be great. Any farmers, if you got a bull in the lot, feel free to bring it over. Yeah. When's the bull showing up? That's the next question. Oh, I don't love these setups. I mean, technically speaking, the longs are not invalid. I just wanted a bit deeper of a pullback. Not sure they're going to give it to us. P&L is $0.00 so far. I haven't taken any trades. See if we can an aggressive pull into here and a wick up. That's what I'd like to see on the CS. That's what I would personally like to see. A pull into like 6. That's what I'd like to see, is a pull into this area right here. So if we can get a deeper pull back into this zone in here. Come on, give us a deeper pullback. Be sure. Technically speaking, it's not invalid here. I just want a little less risk on it. And it's going to give us continued push up, huh? They're not going to give us that full pullback into our zone. Doesn't look like they want to give it to us, my friends. And if not, that's okay. That's crazy if they end up missing it by 1 point, bro. That's going to be crazy. It's a little annoying for the day, but see, maybe NQ will give us a chance. ES looks like it's leading the way, so maybe NQ gets a nice higher volume candle here that we can try the longs. Keep stops below the trend setting candle. Oh. Woo! We got to find the bull in the driveway, guys. Farmers, come on over. Bring your bulls. Bring your bulls. Be sure. Damn, they're not going to give it to us on NQ, huh? Come on, give us a little push up. Close above 95. Nope. No entries for me, guys, here. I'm sorry, even if we keep moving up. No system entries. I think, do I look at ES and think, wow, yeah, this might keep going up? Yeah, totally. But is there any systematic entries that I can take and repeat over and over again? No. So I'm not going to take the setup.
I tried some shorts over there in NQ. I mean, NQ short.
Grizzlies in the shorts. Grizzly has entered the shorts.
If they break above this 303, that's the risk of the trade. So, the only area I see, if we break above that previous day close, we will continue to work through. A lot of size trades, we're on a winning streak, so I'm not looking to give back all week's profits. You know, for those that struggle with that. Bump will be 23,304. We did it.
Be sure. This dude view botting, you must be new here, bro. We got almost 600 people here winning with us, baby. Over 600 on the YouTube. We're growing. When you provide value every day and education, you grow. And entertainment. We have some fun too.
What is pumping right now? What do I want to know?
Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button in the top left corner, guys, or if you're on YouTube, hitting that subscribe button. Make sure your guys' bell icons are on as well. We do this every single day. If I've helped you guys, I appreciate you using code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, and FFF. I will always do my best to help you guys get funded and paid out. It's been almost an hour and no trades for me. Not on individuals or on futures or options. Tesla's making its way. Tesla's making its way back up. Sorry, man.
I like that previous candle though.
Sorry, man.
People forget 2, 3, 3 to 4. Look at this level.
If we get a strong candle on NQ here, if this close, I'll still look for the longs. Haven't seen much movement in the options chain either. Hey, shout out Thornton, man, right up the road. Shout out Cisneros, Junk, and Hall Express. If you're in Colorado, need some junk removed, give that man or woman a call. Shout out. Said, I need this patience. Makes me feel stabilized. That makes me happy, Oxy Year. First time here, looking forward to it. Thanks for coming in, John. Welcome, bro. I hope that my patience every day can rub off on you. We just stay patient. Some days we don't catch anything. Most days we take at least 1 to 2 trades. 377 for the day. Nice, bro. Great job. I am happy that you have made more than I have so far today. No competition for me, my friend. I'm up just over $6,000 in the week, real money, and I'm happy with it. If I can make 5, 10K a week, I'm chilling, vibing. That's how I look at it, 'cause it's consistent, it's sustainable. See how this candle closes.
Looking 3 to 4, but we reject early, so it's not good sign. Good sign.
All right, we closed, but not as high a volume.
The next one goes, which
What's
is
the warrior? 73.
2 weeks basic from
Pull back to this 15-minute high.
this. Just we get 10 points per minute.
We don't have horrible volume, but not the volume I'd want to see. If we pull back to this 15-minute high, I'm open to looking at shorts in this area. Or not shorts, excuse me, longs. Longs in this area with a stop below 273. So it'd only be about 17-point risk or so. I'm open to it. I'm being very picky with my entries today. Pull back into the zone. I'm open to the longs. Need a proper retest. If we don't get a proper retest, I'm fine with missing the upside setup. If we had aggressive volume and some really aggressive trend-setting candle here with higher volume, I might be open to taking an early entry, like right here, for example. But from what we've seen so far, I'm not willing to do that. I'm willing to put on 15, 17, 20 points of risk, but not 30 to 40.
This is at 3 and 1 on the week. Still looking for another setup, another trade lows.
Not seeing much on Bookmap either. Just no true retests today. Not yet. Best way, if you're new here, and best way to get familiarized with me and get to know me is just join these lives every day, Monday through Friday. Hit that follow button if you're on TikTok or subscribe if you're on YouTube. Man, they're really going to keep going, huh? I may be being a little too patient today, but that's a good problem to have long term. There's just not enough volume for me today. It's just not enough volume. Remember, everyone, we are day traders, not trade everyday traders. We may keep moving on up. If we would have taken that 300 entry, it'd only be up about 15 points right now. And at 300, you would have had to have stops below the trend-setting candle, which is 300 to 27, which is 27 points of risk. So at 327, that would technically be 1-to-1. If we get up to 327, we missed out on a 1R trade. I just like to see higher 5-minute volume than previous candles. It's not a specific number, but it's all relative. We're going to keep moving up too. Man.
Just don't see why we're moving up. What's this?
Looking 3 to 4. Looking
Why couldn't they have given us a move down to 290 area first? Why couldn't we have gotten that? I think we could definitely hunt London highs for sure. Especially with how bearish the market's been. I just wanted a little better risk on it. Especially trading strictly from intraday. Remember to breathe sometimes. I got to remind myself of that sometimes. Just remember to breathe. Do you still drive your old car when you make money and drive your new ones when you lose? I still got the humble Honda, baby. I drive that more than anything. It's at the shop right now getting tinted. I'm not in any positions. Nope. And we're about to move up to fucking A. Come on. Of course, it went up to 1-to-1 spot. We're staying disciplined though, and that's good. Yeah, it's frustrating, but we follow the system. When you follow the system, how can you have FOMO? The fuck is music?
No way.
Discipline over dopamine is correct. I needed this discipline. This is what I struggle with. Hey, well, welcome to the team. Hey, make sure if you guys haven't already you join the free Discord. All right, let's see what we're doing here. Let's see if we can get a pull back down into this area. I'm watching this carefully. It's 99 to 2. Didn't get deep enough for me yet. That's what she said. Got to 300, but no deep enough pullback. Come on. 300 again. Hey, pause, JXYS. I'm 200 from passing, man. I need this, mother effa. Bro, that are the words I hear from people who are so close to passing an eval or getting a payout and they end up blowing it. Wait till a systematic trade comes and don't force something just to make another 200 because if you lose, you put yourself down 400. Then you go on tilt, you put yourself down 600 and it compiles. It compounds. Just trying to help you out, bro. Don't let happen. Don't let tilt. Market's not going anywhere. If you get your 200 tomorrow, that's fine. If you see a good trade today and take it, sure, cool. Get your 200 today, but only if it's a good trade. Oh, this price action's frustrating me, man. Volume's not confirming for how I trade. No deep enough pullback.
That doesn't make sense to me. Literally. Not the best. I was expecting, I guess the reason I'm a little disappointed, I was expecting today to be the best trading day this week.
Jackson Hole is, I don't know if it's today. Is it today? Or is it this weekend? It's tomorrow. This weekend, I think. Man. Annoyed. Not FOMO, but annoyed. Because we followed the system. Let's look at the hourly here. The hourly is looking good on NQ. Oh my gosh.
So we're looking at 369. What page? 2369.
Repeat after me. I will not chase. I will not chase. Yeah, we're up 6K on the week, real cash, but I've been watching you for 3 days. First day that I've been patiently waiting, I needed this. I am glad you guys can join this stream and get patience. Aye. Well, I mean, it's okay. Oh, this looks like a good candle. So, this looks like a decent candle. See if we can get down to like this 20. I see an okay setup. We had a solid amount of volume on this. We can still chase London highs. I'm going to look for a pullback down to this 20 area. A little more. Let you guys know if I enter. I haven't entered yet. Haven't entered yet. Haven't entered yet.
Looking for long entry, right?
Yeah.
An entry.
Yeah. I haven't entered yet, though. Have not entered. Have not entered anything, guys. Need more confirmation. It's not giving it to me between my 1 and my 5 minute. No entries, guys. No entries. No entries. No entries. No entries. Back to the opening range high. We already got a solid 40, 50 point move from it, though, so I can't. That goes against the system, too. And that's why you wait for confirmation. I don't just blindly, oh, high or low here, buy. I need to see volume and price confirmation if I'm going to take something. No. And even now, technically speaking, with the system, we move back to this 290, but we've already moved 50 points above it. So that anything above 40 points typically takes out my setup. It could bounce here at 290 and go up, but again, for how the system works, it goes against it. If we can get a strong candle here, like if we had a wick up to 320, I'd try longs with a stop below like 297. If we got up to like 320 again here on this candle. I have a 20, 25 point risk on it and shoot for high a day and then London high. Sure. No setups for me yet, guys. I'm not taking these longs. I'm not taking the longs without confirmation. We'll see if the reverse orb plays out. We could end up bouncing here, guys. It is the 15-minute high, but we've already moved 50, 60 points previously from the high. I'm not playing ping pong with this damn market. I'm waiting for an A+ setup. Targeting London high. So London high here is up at 370. So when we don't touch that, we're on a trend heading towards that or heading towards London low. We closed above. Higher red volume, but right above the 15-minute high still. No longs for me in that case either. I really got to use the restroom, but I don't want to miss a good setup. Maybe I just have maybe I just have Gene. If Gene sees a setup, he can just take it for me. He knows the system.
Use the bucket.
What's the high of this? 346. $15-minute chart here. Let's look at how this is looking. This is still technically holding lower volume on this previous candle. I know that's honestly what I'm looking at this point too, with this last 5-minute candle. Oh, I drink so much damn water, I gotta piss. Jdun, you help so many people who are lost out of nowhere. You'll get super blessed. Thank you, bro. God bless. Dude, I gotta piss real bad. I'm not even gonna cap to you guys. Real bad. Let's see if the P indicator works. I'm gonna get up, use the restroom. I'm sure you guys are gonna massive move down while I'm gone for 2 minutes. Gene, if you see a good trade, take it on my account. Be nice. You guys better be nice to Gene. Better be nice to Gene.
Hello.
Open up his account. Buy some Bowie. He loves that stuff.
Boeing.
Okay.
That's hilarious.
Testing IQ show, guys. We're gonna try IQ shots. MQ2 8. Stop loss is at 07307.
What are we doing?
Shorts.
Oh, of course.
In shorts.
Greg's in the shorts. Let it rip down, baby.
IQ shows, great packs.
What was your entry?
288. 23288.
288. Oh, it's looking good so far.
Trading some here, guys.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you. Stop loss at the killer. Over 3 so 20 points.
Nice job, Greg. So far, so good.
Thank you very much.
I just want to know if we'll get up to there.
We got a weak candle here. I'll try shorts too. If we get a weak close here in the next minute. Got 20 more seconds on it. Push down for Greg. And then push up so we can get an entry. And then push down again. 170. Not a lot of volume.
Yeah, we just need to break this big gap on BQQ 5 minutes.
Try a small piece of NQ shorts on this pop up. Try to starter piece. Starter piece. On the pop up. I'd rather see 80 area, 70 to 80. Wailing up, I got filled at 67.75. There we go. Come on, push further. No. Keep pushing down. Come on. Personally, like ideally closer to 80, but I did get that first ad with hard emergency stops above 300. Just in case we get some massive news candle or something.
To break this big gap on BQQ.
Come on, push it down. Let's go.
It's coming. Let's go.
You know, just in case, I'm gonna go ahead and put my stops at 70 above this candle high. So I don't love the setup. We didn't get the volume I wanted, but we're up, give or take 10 points. I'd like to see 20 plus points for any 25 points for a trim, ideally, but I'm just gonna put my stops here at break even. So I don't love the setup. I'd rather see another candle confirm and this candle continue down, but stops are at break even. I like the setup, I don't love it. Oh. And I'll wait for a re-entry if need be. Not quite. Come on, push it down. All right, guys. I just stopped in this at break even. I'm going to wait for a better entry. I don't love the volume on this candle. So if you want a little higher risk, you can keep your stops above 300. We just didn't get the ideal volume that I wanted. So I want to get a little better average if we move up and get a little more confirmation. Or if we close this candle week, I'll try again with stops above 72. I will not play ping pong with it. I just need to see a little more confirmation. Come on.
I said we break above pre-market highs because I got a nice supply zone spot motion.
I don't like how we have this. If you look at our 5-minute chart, too, I don't like how we have this aggressive 5-minute candle with this fair value gap here as well that we're currently potentially bouncing in. That's another reason why slice that at break even. We have this reverse or yeah. Right here, if you look at screen share.
So the BQQ.
Right here. I don't like that, so that's why I want to wait.
Closing in the Ronax, guys. Ronax close.
I don't like that. I don't like seeing that, so I need a little more confirmation.
Oh, yes, I see it. Yeah.
We'll wait to see if we can get more confirmation in a re-entry, but called an audible. 5 minute, the 5 minute, yep, we have that fair value gap here. This is definitely not what you want to see, so I'm just going to wait. Yeah, we need a BSI. $78. NQ U5. Watch it freaking move down now.
I'm gonna get no clear read on it.
Still waiting. Still waiting, guys. I don't like how we held this. It's not super confident either way. I would say that we can watch for this reverse orb now. We're finally up here. Touch that 290. Got about 20 points of risk up to 300. We're also holding this previous impulse candle fair value gap really well. So it's just, there's not any super clear edge for how I trade, at least right now. Tested one more piece of shorts here, around 75. Stops at 300. I tried the shorts again, everybody. Tried a small piece. So if I lose this trade, I'll be red on the day. If you want a little better entry, you can wait till 80, 85, but I did try up there. About a 26-point risk on this. Just in case we had this swing high, lower high, failed the 15-minute high. But I could be wrong. We pop back up above this level up here. I am wrong on the trade, and the reverse orb did not work. So $10 points so far. Let's see if we can get more. I'd like to see a break of this low. I'd like to see 20, 25 points for a trim. We're up 10 points right now on NQ. ES is moving too. Come on. Come on. Give us 55. Oh, that candle looks good. That candle looks good, guys. That candle looks nice for us. I'm going to move my stops to 90 now. So my stops are going to be at 90 on this. The 5-minute chart looks good for continuation down. And we had the higher volume rejection off here. So it looks good. I'm going to keep my stops at 90 though. $91 to be exact.
I think the best thing I can do today is take
Five.
well-managed loss.
Yep. 5-minute looks good, guys. Honestly, I can't really ask for more. We had higher selling volume, higher volume, aggressive red candle. If we pop back up above this, it just doesn't work out in our favor today. Up about 10, 15 points. So not 15. 10 to 12 points. What?
Took another trade I didn't.
Yep. I took the shorts up there. Still slightly in the green. Got up to almost 20 points. Got up to 18 points. I'd love to see us flush these lows. I want 20, 25 points out of this. I have a hard stop in at 91. If this doesn't work out, it's honestly just one of those times. Because everything else looks good. This is a time where if I saw this, even up to like this 80 area, I would enter here. You know, I'd enter 75 to 80 off this 5-minute candle, off this retest here. Got a decent entry. We're up 10 points right now. We just need to crack this 50, 55. If you don't like it, we're back at break even around here. My stops are at 91. So 16 points of risk. Could technically speaking go up to 301, but let's run break even here now. If you haven't entered, this is an area you can look for the shorts. You just have to have stops at worst case above 301, or if you want a little less risk, like 91. My hard stops are at 91. So we could have trimmed for 15 to 18 points, but it wouldn't have been worth it from a risk reward perspective. I wanted a bit more. So if it stops us, sorry guys. The setup looks really good. It's back at break even now. Break even. My stops are hard set at 91. Oh, it's on the verge. All right, guys, I got stopped out of that at 91. 91, I just got stopped out of that trade. We can always look for reentry if we fail it. That setup honestly looked really good. That's something I'm 100% happy with. Had the failure to go higher volume. Just no continuation on it. Had 15 to 18 points. It's all right, guys. Needed a bit more to trim. If our initial risk was that 20 plus points, even being up 18, it didn't make sense from our multiple perspective to trim early. Sorry about that, fellas. Sorry about that, fellas. Tried it. Didn't work out this time. Not this time. See if we can find a re-entry if anything looks good, but kept it reasonable, which I'm happy about. Kept it reasonable. I swear, if they just liquidity sweep us up and move down, I'm going to be so salty. We closed above the 15-minute high anyway, so I wouldn't have been able to stay in, but where is this? Oh, here we go. Well, shucks, guys. I really had faith in our setup there. Just didn't happen to work out. Oh well. I really had faith in our setup there, guys, and they failed us. There we go. Okay, gone. Yeah, volume is not. There's a lot of anomalies today that we're finding. Love the movement you created. Appreciate you, bro. I got to update my scoreboard to 0-1. Well, technically break even in 1, but got to update my scoreboard. Got to keep it transparent. Technically, we went up 18, 20 points, but it wasn't enough to trim. It's not enough to trim for us. Yep. 0-1-1. Yeah, we got a tie. I had a bear shit in my driveway and I got shut on by the market. Wow. No, not shit on. We kept it small, but
Stop loss is 281.
I'm so. Greg just took a long. Yep. I'm not done trading. I got like 30 more minutes in me. But let's see here. See these individuals if there's anything in my drop top. In my drop top. We just need Trump to say tariffs on everyone. Get it done. Let us be a part of it. Oh. One thing you guys will notice about me is if I have a hard stop set or a plan, I follow it. And that's what keeps me in this game long term. Back in the day, what I would have been doing is I'd be in this trade and it wouldn't be going my way and I'd just be holding for hope. You know, that's not sustainable long term. Hey, this time you're almost right. I'm 0 for 1. Not 0 for 2. This time you're almost right. Almost. You're halfway there. I mean, we went up 15 to 18 points depending on your entry. It just wasn't enough to trim. Just wasn't enough from an R multiple perspective to take any off. So, sorry guys. We're chilling. Hey, I mean, I had a day, what was it, 2 Mondays ago where I lost 3 in a row and I was done. I just walked away. I was really frustrated. Happens. Is what it is, baby. Bro, why is the fake Jdun one of the top watchers here? Sorry, bro. Team Bull Trading _11. You got to go. Greg's in the Wongs. Hitting Quandary in a few nights. I love Quandary, bro. As a reminder, if you appreciate these lives, if you get value from them, if I've helped you guys manage your risk and be disciplined, I appreciate you guys using code JDUN with ApexTraderFunding.com, Tradeify, or FFF. Tradeify is the best for straight to funded, and Apex is the best for evals. Appreciate you guys supporting. I will always do my best to help you guys. I technically lost a trade today, but I'll still do my best to help.
Crazy today. I went trim, my stop losses are breaking. Let's see.
It also gets you payout protection. If there's ever any problems with your payouts, use code JDUN. I got your back. You're welcome, bro. I have a play today. I just lost it. Again, it was up. I like to mention that it was up. And some people would say, oh, well, Jdun, because it went up, that's a win. Well, no, it's not, because it wasn't up to my R multiple standards. If I was risking 20 points, why would I trim at 18? I didn't force a trade. I like today's trade. I would take that setup 100 out of 100 times. So here's how I look at it, guys. Here's how I look at setups like today. Is that we had the close below the 15-minute high. We even had higher volume on this sell-off failure. If I take this trade 100 times, it's going to work out 50% of them, 40% of them, 60% of them, right? A lot of times. And if I can hold my winners down to this low a day here, I could win 40% of my trades and still be very profitable with that. That's how I look at it. If you don't like Apex, then don't trade it, bro. They're the most scalable. It's hard. The trailing drawdown's hard. If you don't like Apex, go with Tradeify or FFF. Setup is technically valid, but hey, nice. Qualified for my 3rd Apex account. It's dope. Top Step's great. I don't have a code with Top Step. They don't have affiliates, but they're a great prop firm. I can't say anything negative about Top Step. Here's the thing, though, guys, is no matter what firm you're on, my goal for you guys is to use firms as a tool, not an end-all be-all. Oh my gosh, this looks like a good short setup again. Why does this have to give me a good short setup again? It's going to make me take it and stop me out again, huh? This actually looks very good. What's the higher? 313. We pop back up. I'm open to it again. It's the only other thing I'd see. I just don't want to force anything. This could be the solid lower high in here. One more pop up. I'll try shorts one more time. I can't take it here. There's too much risk. Up to 313.
I was about to take the short there.
Yep. I like the shorts. I like the shorts a lot, actually, if we could get a little pop up. I like him a good amount, actually. See, we're still holding this 260 so strong. Aggressively, we're holding it. Called the order block, bro. I still think we're going to crush your order block, unfortunately. We'll see. Time will tell if we crush this 260. I like the shorts if we pop up.
And the forward time frame looks gonna dump. Just need to find the right entry.
Yep. It's the high here, 280.
Yeah, this is what I mentioned in the morning. Pump to this level 3 to 4 and then massive dump. That's what I'm expecting. Pump to 3 to 4. Grab some money there. See.
Testing the shorts once more. Testing the shorts here, 66. Lower size. Lower size. I have room to add once more if we pop up. She had a good fill in that, 67. So my risk is 83, 16 points. Crush through the lows. Come on. Crush through the lows, baby. I have a hard stop at 83, though, or 83.75. See if your order block cooks me or if we can get this continuation down. If not, I'll be down over $1,000 in the day. Kept the first loss pretty small, so if we just chop in this area, no dice for me. I'd like to see a push below 57. Down at 50, I'll trim. Push below. Come on. Get down to 50 so I can trim. These sellers need to grow some huevos, man.
Yeah. That's a good market.
I hate that we're holding this area. Hard stops are still above 83. I'd like to see us pop down here to this 50. We're up 7 points right now, but Huskers. Come on. I want to see this move down to this 50, Gene. And these shorts. Come on, a little more.
It looks like it.
Little more. Come on. I'm going to put my stops at 70, guys. So it'll be, technically speaking, break even. 3-point loss. Stops at 70.25. We want 50 out of this. We want 50 out of this, everybody. Come on. A little more. We want to break below 50. There we go. Yo. Trim. Trim it, baby. Come on. We want more. How about those shorts, baby? Come on. We want more. We're at 40. We're at 27 points right now. 1.5 R. Trim them mother effing shorts, baby. Come on. You thought Jdun was done for the day. Jay ain't done. Come on now. Make sure you've trimmed and stops her at break even. Trimmed and stops at break even, everybody. Let's see if we can get to our next price target below. 27 points. We're at 1.5 R. We had 16 points of risk. Come on. Push it down. Let's go. 67 entry up there. Not bad, huh? Come on.
20 points.
Yep.
5. Right?
Yep. 20 plus points.
Mathing.
Jay ain't done. You heard? My math is 7 points off. Still, we'll take it. Over 1 R. Come on. Keep it pushing down, baby. Let's go.
I think you keep going.
Come on. Push it down. Stops at break even still. Stops at break even. Let's see if we can keep moving down now. Let's see if we can keep this pushing down, everybody. We're back green on the day. You thought Jdun was going to go red. Yeah, right. On a Thursday? On Dumpster Thursday? On Taco Tuesday? It's not Taco Tuesday. You thought, baby. You thought. You thought. No, sir. Come on, push it. We want more. We want more. Come on. Come on. We want more, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. So happy. Let's go. We did our job. We made money. I'm happy when my conviction plays out. Where's the bro that said I was going to get cooked because of the order block? Bro, you're going to get destroyed, the order block. Bro, screw your order block.
Order block.
Order D.
Mamas.
F your order block. I'm a shack. Block your order block, baby. Call this VPA. Call this VPA, my boy. Come on. We want, now our next price target is going to be down here at this 200. You want 200, baby. We want 200. Come on. Push us further. We want 200, baby. Let us dump. Let us just free fall. Come on.
Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We had the bear confirmation. I told y'all we were going to make some money on the shorts. If we can get low at A out of this, I will be absolutely thrilled. I'm still holding runners, guys.
Low day will be a mega trade.
Yep, low at A be a mega trade. That's right. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on, more. We want more, baby. We want 200. Give us absolute death. Come on. Yo! Yo! I told you, small losses and big wins, baby. That's what I told y'all, man. Anyone in Team Bowl, y'all make some money on that with me? Did anyone recoup with me on that? How are we sitting, Team Bowl? Did anyone take that with me? Nobody took it. Nobody decided to take the absolute clearest of all short entries we could take. I still think we can go lower, too. If you guys took that, let me know what you made. How we sitting? What do we pay ourselves? What y'all pay yourselves, everybody? Let's see it. Let's see it. What do we all pay ourselves, everyone? Let me know in chat. What do y'all pay yourselves? 350, 800, 500, 2900, 150, 40, 1K, 678, 800. Let's go. 2K, 1807. Man, we are all feasting, baby. Small losses and big wins. That's what we do. That's how we do it, baby. Come on. That's what we do. Come on. Stops are just below break even now. See, in 92. It's 1992. Yeah, I thought we were going to get that 200, bro. I really did. I really thought they were going to give that to us. So awesome, guys. So awesome.
Watching the jury to possible entry NQ shorts. 247, 250, and NQ.
Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Does not look bad.
Between 247 and 251. In this area right now.
Does not look bad.
So re-entry, I would like to be a little more off.
That area of like 2350, we just touched it. I'm happy. I still got my runners too, guys. Damn, that was freaking awesome, guys. That was incredible. That was incredible. 67 down to 207. So 50 plus points. Small losses and big wins, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what we are talking about. We got a lot of stuff to do today, Mr. Gene.
Oh, really?
Yep, got to get the sauna door on, a new one. Just don't break it. Just don't break my door, bro. Yep, she's coming today as well. Like 1 or something. I got to check her flight. Come on. We want death. Bring death to the market, baby. Scoreboard's been updated. 1 for 2 on the day, baby. 1 for 2. Small losses and big wins. That's what we do. Are we hitting the gym today? Bro. Did bro say, are we hitting the gym today? Does a bear shit in the woods? Is the Pope Catholic? Do fish swim? Of course we're hitting the gym today. Are you kidding me? This is discipline over dopamine, baby. Come on now. Come on. Someone asked how I knew. Yeah, does a bear, apparently bears don't shit in the woods. They shit in Jdun's driveway. Oh, yeah, y'all got the jokes. All right. Get you guys a 50-point winner, and y'all all of a sudden all come out of the woodworks. No. Bears shit on Jdun's driveway. All right, bro. I see how it is. I'm going to remember that one. Trust. We're going to remember that one real closely. I see how it is. Okay. Came out of the woodworks. Just out of nowhere. Everyone's all chilling, silent, enjoying their nice payday. Jdun tries to make a nice, friendly joke. And let's just remind him that a bear literally took a crap in multiple spots of his driveway. And I, as a grown-ass man, got to put some big gloves on, go pick that stuff up, and put it in the trash can. You guys want a video of me picking up the shit too? Yeah, do you guys want a video of it? Would that make you happy? Would that make your day? You guys want to see me picking it up? Yeah. Of course you do. Double XL gloves, that double XL dookie. Bro, it's big. There's like seeds and stuff in it. I would actually. Bro, it's still sitting out there. I didn't touch that this morning. I feel like that would have been bad juju if I touched it and then I went to try to trade. Even though it's Riker's birthday, I will be on trading tomorrow as well. Likely going to be lower risk because it is the Reichster's birthday and I don't want to mess anything up for the weekend, but I will be here. Oh, man. Oh, I know. Brandon probably did it in my driveway. Bro wasn't potty trained. I'm out of this trade, guys. See where I just look back. I'm out of this trade. 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 I'm out of the 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 trade. We're ripping now. Great trade, though. 50 plus points. +50 points. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness gracious. Well, I'll be here tomorrow. I just won't put on a lot of risk. Damn, 50+ point trade, though. We'll take it. I wanted to see us move down to low a day. That would have been insanity. That would have been insanity getting a mega trade. She's 60-point trade, as a matter of fact. 60 points. I was mathing wrong. My math has not been mathing. My math has not been mathing. As a reminder, if you guys are new here, I trade live every single day. I give you my exact entries, stop losses, and why I'm entering the trade to make sure you're educated. So one day, you don't need me anymore. All I ask is you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner if you're on TikTok, or you hit that subscribe and bell icon if you're on YouTube. I don't want you missing any lives. And if you're trading on prop firms, my number one recommended one right now is apextraderfunding.com. You can use code Jdun for payout protection. If there's ever any issues with your payout, I will personally go to upper management and have your back. Code Jdun for 80% off. It's apextraderfunding.com. You can get your first account right now and trade with us for free tomorrow. Tomorrow's Free Friday, baby, inside Team Bull and, of course, on social media. Use code JDUN for 80% off. Apex is the hardest to pass. It's definitely not easy. But when you got Jdun trading with you, it makes it a tad bit easier. May the force be with you. Be sure. Yep, Apex Trader Funding. And as a reminder, too, if you guys would like to be a part of Team Bull, our free Discord, on Team Bull on Fridays, you get access to our Zoom. So there's no delay. You get full screen share, and you get access to our entire community where everyone talks. Send me a DM on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. It's Jdun Trades on Instagram. So right now, or after the live, we're done trading. Send me a DM on Instagram and mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. Hey, bro said, after watching you every morning for months, I have started to trade on my own and it's like I know what you would do. I pinned my IG up there, everyone. So if you guys want access to the free Discord, send me a DM on Instagram. Whoop. There we go. I'll pin that. I'll pin it on YouTube as well. It's just JDUN Trades. Play the song Loser by... Why'd I put Loser? We're catching dubs, baby. Greg's in the shorts, too. And he's trimming. Two losses, one win. One win green for the day. Losses, small wins, big. Let's go.
See if QQ break this big up in the 5 minutes. Stop loss are giving up.
Gene, Team Bull's being mean.
Why?
Because they want to see me, pick up the poop.
Go to the Discord.
Beautiful. So who's making money on shorts now? Who took the short with me?
Isn't it true 95% of day traders lose in the long run? Yep, totally. It is absolutely true. And I'm very transparent about that. But guess what? How many active day traders are there in the world? Let's ask ChatGPT. How many active day traders in the world right now? Okay, let's see. Let's see what ChatGPT says. People always mention that there's 95% of traders lose. So there's about 9.6 million, call it 10 million traders in the world. Okay. So out of those 10 million traders, 500,000 will make it long term. Right? So if you want to be part of that 500,000, you know your work's cut out for you. You got to journal every day, choose discipline over dopamine, stick to a long-term vision, not allow tilt to blow yourself up. And I'll tell you, if 500,000 people will make it at something, I'm going to be one of those people. That was always my mindset. If 500,000 people in the world are going to make it as a day trader, you best believe I'm going to be one of them. And that's the mindset that you have to have. There may be more, too. I'm just saying. That's what ChatGPT said. Oh. And this says Actually, it's 14.6 million. So let's call it 15 million traders. 15 million traders, okay? If 5% make it, 750,000 are going to make it. Right? And guess what those 750,000 people all have in common? They're trading a system. They're trading with discipline. They're not blowing themselves up. And they're sticking to the long-term game. The problem is people have no discipline. If you have a 51% win rate, I talked about this in our group coaching call in the Master Mentor program yesterday. If you have a 51% win rate, you can be profitable. But that is contingent on the fact that of your 49% of losses, you are not blowing yourself up. It takes one day out of the month every month that you go above your 1R loss ratio and you blow yourself up and you skew all your numbers. I mean, how many people here in Team Bull, right, have made money and for 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 days in a row and then gave it all back on day 11? Has that happened to anyone here? Because that's what used to happen to me all the time. I'd have winner, and then just get massacred and give it all back. And that's what holds most traders back, is not their ability to win, but their ability to lose and keep their losses minimal. So when you look at the 5% of traders who make it, sorry, Greg, what are you saying?
No, they stopped my runners over Q.
Oh.
It was a green trade, but now it's going to top.
You-
Looking to re-enter.
You just have to get very comfortable with becoming a good loser. Like today, if I didn't see that A+ setup, I would have been okay being red. I saw the A+ setup, I knew the risk on it, I entered, and I made a bag. That's how you have to look at your trading. It's all probabilities. It's all risk reward. So it's 9:30 here in Colorado. I am personally going to mob out for the day. I have a ton of stuff to get done today. My kid's birthday is tomorrow. Riker is 2 tomorrow. How crazy is that? It feels like it was just yesterday, Team Bull. I got to go clean up bear shit in my driveway, get a bunch of stuff done. So put the door on that Gene broke before. Life is good, man. At least we got some money to pay for it after today's trading day. So I'm going to go get my hands dirty with some bear poop, all right? All right, Greg, I'm going to make you the host I'm going to get out of here.
All right.
Bye, Team Bull.
Take care, man.
Bye, Greg. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, everybody. Have a blessed day. Trade smart, trade safe. Stay focused, journal your trades, and remember, do one positive thing for yourselves. I asked that of you yesterday. Do one positive thing for yourselves today. Read a book for 5 minutes, meditate. Do something that's going to help build your self-discipline and improve yourself in your daily life, which in turn will help with your trading. So trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Team Bull. Love you guys. God bless. Peace. All right, TikTok, YouTube, I'm out of here too, guys. Appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. We do this every single day, Monday through Friday. 1 loss, 1 big winner today, 60 points. I'll see you guys on the flip side, everyone. God bless, everybody. Have a great rest of your night. And as a reminder, if you guys want access to the Discord, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to Free Friday tomorrow. It's personally going to be me responding. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM. Just go to your Instagram, search up Jdun Trades. It'll pop up 217K followers, verified account. That's the only place I answer DMs. So I will personally, let me go. I got to do something on my computer real quick. I will personally see all you fine people tomorrow. All right, y'all. I got to go do my McDonald's application. That's right. All right, guys. God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow. DM me on Instagram if you'd like access to the Discord. Peace, everyone. Boom and